bread is hard work. It might just have come from kind of watching my great-grandmother baking in this very low room on the floor with this cast iron dome and just fire, and baking these massive loaves which would come out very dark but very tasty. And I guess that's what I'm doing now, very dark and very tasty. We like to call it caramelized, some people like to call it burnt, but I really like a very dark loaf because it does kind of, in a way, burn the sugars in the flour, and that's what gives it flavor. And it needs to be tangy a little bit, and it needs to be chewy. And yes, I do like kind of a nice holy crumb, but not too holy that you can lose everything through the holes. So put the butter on, put some jam on, you'll still have some by the time it reaches your mouth. So yeah, I'm just baking plain sourdough breads, just flour, water, salt, with organic flour. It is hard work. It's lots of muscle, it's lots of lifting, and it's also a bit messy. There's flour everywhere, there's bits of dough in your hair. So would I do it again? Probably yes. Would I suggest other people do it? You know, maybe not. Don't do it. Don't do it. Just bake at home.